As Adams Pool Solutions approaches its 7th decade in business, our success has been built on perseverance, innovation, and adaptability. We've led the industry with cutting-edge products that have reshaped pool construction and renovation. Whether you're envisioning a brand new pool or transforming an existing one, our team has the knowledge and expertise to turn your aquatic dream into reality. We lead by example. Adams Pool Solutions has assembled one of the finest teams of pool professionals and craftsmen in the country. In an environment that honors their skill and creativity, our tradesmen bring decades of combined experience, making Adams Pool Solutions the clear choice for your commercial pool project. Adams Pool Solutions is your trusted partner for commercial swimming pool renovations, remodels, and replasters. From hotels and apartment communities to aquatic centers and universities, we understand the unique needs of every facility we serve, and we deliver results that last.